Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to pay someone in Bitcoin on Cash App. Alright, let's begin. First, open Cash App and tap your account balance in the bottom left corner. This will take you to the financial assets screen. From here, tap on the Bitcoin icon to access all Bitcoin related options. To buy Bitcoin, tap Buy, select a preset amount or enter the amount manually, then review the transaction details. Once confirmed, the Bitcoin will be added to your Cash App balance instantly. Now, to send Bitcoin, go back to the Bitcoin section and tap the arrows icon on the right side of the screen. Select Send Bitcoin, then choose how you want to send it. You can send it to a Cash App contact, enter their Cash App tag, or paste their Bitcoin wallet address. If sending to an external wallet, copy and paste the recipient's BTC wallet address or scan their QR code. After entering the recipient's details, review the transaction carefully. Once everything looks correct, tap on the recipient's name or address to proceed. The app will show a summary of the amount, any fees, and recipient details. Confirm the transaction, and Cash App will process the payment. So that's basically how you can pay someone in Bitcoin on Cash App. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.